First, I marked my bowl using a permanent marker so that I could cut my bowl in half. I cut my bowl in half using my soldering iron. I placed each half of my bowl face down onto a piece of cardboard and I traced it out using my permanent marker. Then I cut out my cardboard pieces. I applied Elmer's glue to the front two pieces of my cardboard and I spread it around evenly. Once I was done spreading my glue, I placed my two pieces glue side down onto a piece of silver tablecloth that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Then I placed a heavy object onto both pieces and allowed them to completely dry. Once my pieces were dry, I cut them out. I attached each part of my bowl to the two pieces of cardboard that I had cut out using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I cut in half a smaller bowl that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I attached each half to each half of my larger bowl. Once I was done, I took the caps off of 2 Christmas ornaments and I made a hole in my smaller bowl and I attached my ornaments to my small bowl using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I applied gems to the connection line between the bottom of my larger bowl and the top of my smaller bowl. I removed the excess tablecloth and glue from the edges of my sconces, and they were all done. And here are my wall sconces once I hang them on the wall. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.